Steve.
Hi, Steve. Oh, that's me.
Yeah.
Another beautiful day in Thailand.
Yeah.
Coming to an end pretty soon.
Yeah.
Couple
เดิ
more.
นกล้องให้ดูข้างหน้าพวกเรากำลังขับรถไป วันที่ 25 พวกเราจะพาลูกพาหลานไปเที่ยวที่หัวหิน ก่อนที่พวกเราจะบินกลับแคนาดาวันที่ 7 เมษายนกับแคนาดา ตอนนี้ไปเที่ยวบ้านพี่สาวก่อนไปเที่ยวบ้านสวนของพี่สาวก่อน ดอกไม้สวยข้างทาง ต้นไม้สวย เดี๋ยวเจอกันที่บ้านพี่สาวค่ะ บ้านสวน ไปดูว่าสวยแค่ไหน
What's the name of this like area? It's Chiang Rai province, right? But what's the name of like is a village or something?
Chiang Chai district.
Yang Chai district?
Yes,
Okay.
in Chiang Rai.
Okay. In Chiang Rai province.
Well, you sure got a nice spread here.
I took the drive 10, maybe 15 minutes max from her home to visit her sister number 8 and brother-in-law's new I don't want to call it house. They bought this land more than a year ago, and now they put this little they're calling it an area where they come for relax, because their house is not that far from here. It's probably 5 minutes or less from here where they live. But we came here to see. It's not a finished project, but it's a project in progress, and this land is all theirs. So you see the pond, and there all these banana trees line the property line, and you can hardly see it, but this fence here, it goes all the way around. You can't really see it behind probably can't really see it behind the banana trees, but this is the driveway, and the fence totally surrounds the property. Barbed wire fence, and of course the gate. Okay, so they've got fruit trees planted everywhere. Everywhere you see a tree of some sort, it's a fruit tree of some sort, and unfortunately I don't know what they are. I know there's a multitude of stuff here. Besides banana trees, there are orange trees in the backyard. There's she mentioned them. There's avocado, all kinds of stuff, and yeah. So basically, the wooden structure you see right there is it's just a bedroom. All it is a bedroom, really. And in the back where those gentlemen are working, they are, well, some of these already have fruits on them. Like, look at this one here. I'm guessing that's coconut, but, or no, papaya, right there. And it's so short, but yet there's still stuff growing on it. They have lemon trees, I know. Like I said, orange trees in the back. But yeah, the back where these gentlemen are working, that's that will be the kitchen and the bathroom. Yeah, it goes back pretty far too. It's a pretty decent piece of land. So yeah, this room here will be the kitchen and the bathroom off to the left there. Oh, this one's really growing up with some goodies on it. Wow, I was here a year ago when they were planting this trees and putting up the fence. And it's definitely grown up considerably fast. Things are growing rapidly here. What did she tell me what this was? I forget already. I got a poor memory, but of course the water tank right there. It's not hooked up, obviously. Let's see what I'm looking at here. Had my dimmer switch on to save battery. The battery dies pretty quick nowadays. I think these are the orange trees here. I think this is where the orange trees start. Here, here, here. And there's some more over here. Can't wait to, we'll be back in 2 years, hopefully. Good Lord willing, we'll be back in 2 years, and by then you should really see what's going on here. It'll be a totally different video with the trees much higher, fruit much more abundant. Apparently there's even fish in this pond here. Oh, I just saw one jump right there. I don't know how big. I don't know what they've got in there, but this was. Did she say this was lemongrass or garingo? Garingo, I think. Yeah, she said garingo. Because I'm not a fan. The smell. They use it for cooking. You don't eat it, but just the smell of it reminds me of pine salt for some reason. And she was trying to describe to me what this was, but I didn't get it at all. These red things, apparently you can eat them, or they use it for cooking. I don't recognize it at all. Of course, more banana trees. In fact, this one I didn't notice this when we did the initial walkthrough, but there's bananas on this one already. It's hard to tell when they're the same color as the banana leaves. Camouflage. These mounds of dirt with these plants growing out of it are going to be durian. Apparently they need to be higher. They don't want the roots to get soaking wet, apparently, so they plant them higher. There's four mounds of dirt, so I'm guessing 4 durian. That'll be a money maker because that stuff's not that cheap, and it's very popular. It's one of those things apparently, and I like it, but apparently it's one of those deals, either you like it or you don't. More banana trees along the side. Let's see how far back it goes. And just so you know, over here where those guys are working there, I'll see if I can zoom in. They're putting up a fence over there. She bought that land over there too. This area over here. Not the rice field. This is the rice field. This belongs to the guy who sold these parcels of land. But the rice is growing up pretty good. You can see it actually. That's rice right there. That building over there is a house, but it's also apparently going to be a restaurant. Apparently, allegedly, or a coffee shop or something. But yeah, the rice field is a fair size. But yeah, those guys are putting up a fence line on their new property. Okay. I wouldn't know, but I would hazard a guess that it's definitely more than an acre. But probably not 2, but it's probably, and I'm talking about this land here, not that one over there. Yeah, so if you want to buy it, it's not for sale, but if you give them 3 million Thai baht, they would take it, I think. I think she told me, I think this is the avocado tree right here. I believe so. Or, oh shoot, she asked me if I knew what this was. And I'm drawing a blank now. Because I didn't know, but she told me, and I should have been taking notes. Of course, this will be the cage for chickens. Didn't ask what's growing here. Yep. Back side of the kitchen. There's the sewer for the toilet right there. Yep. Lovely. Now let's go take a look on the inside of that wooden building there. It's real nice wood. What kind of trees are these ones here?
It's a guava.
Grower.
Guava.
Oh, okay. Nice.
You show a pond already?
Yeah, I did, yep. Nice. 3 million? So I'd be done.
Just kidding. 3
Just
million.
kidding.
10 million. Is
10
okay.
million. But it's not for sale already.
เอาระเบียงรอบก็ได้มีห้องน้ำแต่ว่ามีห้องน้ำเอาไปเฮ็ดถ้าสนใจสิได้
Fridge. 3 more windows there.
ไปให้ปลาแดดเนี่ยทาน
Another
ปลาแดด
one
เนี่ย
there.
เดียวทานบ้านแม่ปลาแดดออกไป
Typical Thai style.
บ้านนี้จะบ้านเนินสมบูรณ์บ้านบ้านเนินสมบูรณ์นะคืออีสาน
Very nice.
ขายบักแตงโมร้าน
No, I mean it. You've got a nice place. It's not every man that can live off the land, you know. You do your own thing in your own time. You should be proud.